How to use SD card as internal storage in Android. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn a quick method on how we can change our SD card as our internal storage on an Android device. So without any further delay, let's get started. But before getting started, I want you to hit the like, share, and subscribe option. So first thing first, you need to open your settings. In order to do that, after opening your settings, just scroll down until you get to About Phone. You need to turn on your developer options. If you don't have a developer options turned on, you may just go to About Phone and here go to Software Information. After that, just 7 taps on this build number and your developer mode will be enabled on your device. When you get back to the main settings, at last you will be able to see this developer options. Just tap on that developer options and here scroll down until you get to this this option where it says force allow apps on external. Just enable this option. After that, SD card will be used as your internal storage on your device. So just enable this option and everything will be downloaded in your internal storage, which is your SD card right now. Just enable this option and that will do it. If you want to turn it back off, just get to this option here again and just disable the option and you're good to go. So therefore, in this way, you can use SD card as an internal storage in Android phone. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.